Time to put it back. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So good. It's so cute. Little did I know, the struggle wasn't over. It's not turning on. Well, I will do all of these things. I like this part. I have to charge it. As I unwound this Type-C cable, I gotta admit that I was quite impressed by Apple's packaging. And that goes for all of their products, so it may be MacBook or even iPhones, it's all the same. I'm pretty sure there's a whole department just assigned for this packaging thing. And lesson learned, if I'm gonna unbox something again, I have to make sure that I have at least something sharp, so I wouldn't have to go through all these things again. In the end, it's all worth it, and I hope I would still be as excited as I am right now in a few years about this laptop.